Okay, let's unpack this. Imagine a city where poetry isn't just written, but truly lives in ancient gardens, where vibrant colors just explode through centuries-old mosques. And history, well, history stands monumental just a short drive away. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Shiraz, Iran, a destination that really promises to challenge expectations and, honestly, delight every one of your senses.
Yeah. And what's particularly compelling, I think, is how our sources consistently paint this picture of Shiraz. It's not merely some historical archive. It's a city that's vibrant with modern culture, often quite distinct from, let's say, common international perceptions. So our mission today is really to equip you with the knowledge to genuinely understand and appreciate this unique Iranian jewel, from its most iconic sites all the way to the essential practicalities of experiencing it authentically.
Absolutely. We've pulled together quite a rich stack of sources for this deep dive, detailed travel blogs, cultural guides, some historical analyses too. And our goal isn't just to tell you what to see, but really to uncover the crucial insights into why these places matter, giving you hopefully a truly comprehensive and engaging understanding of Shiraz's unique charm. So Shiraz holds this truly distinctive identity. It's often celebrated as a city of poets and gardens. It's where some of the most, breathtaking visual spectacles meet a profound cultural heritage. And maybe topping that list for many travelers is the sheer visual poetry of the Nasir al-Mulk Mosque, the one more famously known as the Pink Mosque. Now, I'm genuinely fascinated by its morning light show. What is it about that specific experience? Travelers consistently describe it as having unrivaled majesty.
It's truly an extraordinary sight, yeah. And a striking aspect is why it's called the Pink Mosque. It actually comes from the specific ceramic tiles used in its construction. They have this unique pink hue, and when they're bathed in the morning sun, they cast this soft, almost ethereal glow throughout the winter prayer hall. It basically transforms the space into what our sources call a massive kaleidoscope of colors. It's stunning.
Wow, okay.
And it isn't just about the color, it also boasts a unique architectural feature among Iranian mosques, Aleks dome, which reflects its private origin. It was built by a Qajar-era lord for personal worship.
Ah, interesting.
And what's even more surprising is the detail you find on the ceilings, elements of European artistry. It's a fascinating little microcosm of Shiraz's historical openness to diverse cultural threads, even within its most sacred spaces.
So this blend of local materials, private intention, and these international artistic touches, it isn't just visually stunning, it speaks to a broader cultural narrative, doesn't it? It truly sounds like a unique experience, and one that offers, fantastic photo ops as the light just transforms the space.
Okay, so having immersed ourselves in that visual splendor, maybe the scent of spices and the echoes of history might then draw you naturally towards the beating heart of Shiraz's royal legacy. The Zan complex.
Right, the Zan complex.
These magnificent sites, mostly built by Karim Khan Zan back in the 18th century, they're conveniently within walking distance, right there in the city center. The Qarf Citadel, for instance, is this impressive residential and military fortress. You can't really miss its 4 distinctive towers, and one of them, fun fact, leans slightly.
Oh yeah, why is that?
Apparently, it's attributed to an underground bathhouse built just a bit too close, a quirky detail. And inside, they have wax figures depicting historical scenes, giving you a tangible glimpse into its past. What really strikes me about the description of the Vakil Bazaar, though, is that explosion of senses you mentioned. Are there any particular scents or sounds that, for you, truly define that experience, like the moment you walk in? Oh, absolutely. The moment you step into the Vakil Bazaar, you're just enveloped by the aroma of herbs and spices, the buzz of merchants, and the promise of freshly cooked food. You can smell it everywhere. You might even stumble upon these vibrant kashki carpets from local nomads, each one telling a story. This isn't just a market, though. If we place this in a wider context, the Vakil Bazaar's long history as a pivotal Silk Road hub made it a really crucial point for cultural exchange. Its distinctive architecture, with its arched roofs designed to keep the space cool, and its domes decorated with intricate, colorful patterns, it isn't just beautiful, it's a living testament to centuries of trade and interaction.
Right.
And within this same complex, you also find the Vakil Mosque, known for its geometrical entrance and really beautiful floral patterns. And alongside that, the Vakil Hammam, the bathhouse, which boasts these incredible blue and white carvings of warriors adorning its walls and ceiling, really echoes tales of old.
So from the intricate beauty of the Zan complex, where daily life still hums with centuries of commerce, we can sort of shift gears to a quieter, maybe more reflective side of Shiraz, its profound poetic soul, etched into gardens and mausoleums. Shiraz is, after all, the birthplace and resting place of two great Persian poets, Hafez and Saadi.
That's right. Hugely important figures.
And the tomb of Hafez in particular, it really showcases the poet's almost mythical status in Iran. It's said that virtually every Iranian can quote his poetry. What is it about Hafez's poetry that resonates so deeply across generations for Iranians?
That's a great question. Hafez's enduring popularity isn't just about, beautiful verse. It reflects how poetry in Iran serves as this living communal language. It's a constant wellspring for collective memory, emotional expression, even philosophical inquiry. It's deeply woven into the fabric of daily life. You can explore his mausoleum in the pretty Masala garden during the day, sure, but it truly comes alive at night. Locals gather there not just for formal poetry readings, but to actually engage in conversations about his verses, sharing interpretations, finding personal meaning. It's a beautiful, profoundly communal experience. Really illustrates the living legacy of Persian literature.
That sounds incredible. And just a short taxi ride away from that, you have the UNESCO-listed Iram Garden, a historic Persian garden, famous apparently for its towering cypress and graceful palm trees, with origins tracing way back to the 12th century.
It's stunning.
It remains a favorite pastime for locals, they say, who enjoy strolling through its leafy paths and admiring the beautiful Qajar-era palace within. Sounds like a truly serene oasis, a perfect place for some quiet reflection. Now, for a truly, maybe awe-inspiring experience, many travelers highlight the Sha'i Chira Holy Shrine. They describe it as nothing less of mightily impressive. Our sources consistently point to this as a must-see, especially at night when it's beautifully illuminated, almost seeming, as one source put it, lifted straight out of the pages of Scheherazad's stories.
Yeah, it's visually spectacular. A striking aspect of the shrine is definitely its interior with its fine mirror work.
Right.
It reflects light in this dazzling, almost otherworldly display. But it's important to remember, as a significant pilgrimage site, there's a strict dress code for visitors.
Right.
This includes a separate entrance and a chador for women. That's the traditional full-body cloak covering all but the face. Right. Can you elaborate maybe on how visitors can navigate this respectfully while still feeling comfortable?
Yeah, that's a crucial point. While respecting local customs is absolutely paramount, many female travelers report something interesting. While a chador is provided and expected at the shrine itself, outside of such holy sites, often a simple headscarf and, loose clothing that doesn't accentuate curves is generally sufficient. And locals are usually very understanding and appreciative of any effort to comply.
Indeed. It's about showing respect, fundamentally. And that's often met with incredible warmth and patience from Iranians.
Okay, so with the city's vibrant present and rich history now painting quite a vivid picture, it's probably time to expand our view beyond the city limits, to where ancient empires and natural wonders await just a short drive away. Shiraz isn't just about the city itself. It's really a gateway to some of the most profound historical sites in the world.
Absolutely. The day trip to Persepolis, for instance, is an absolute must-do. No question. This was the ceremonial capital of the Achaemenid Empire, and it's a site that truly lived up to expectations for so many travelers we read about.
What should people look out for specifically when they're there?
Well, definitely its iconic features, the Gate of All Nations, which is guarded by these majestic bull shadu. These are mythical winged human-headed bulls, ancient protectors symbolizing both strength and intellect. A very powerful image for an imperial capital.
Wow.
You'll also find the intricate bas-reliefs on the southern stairway of Tichara, depicting tributes from various nations.